What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, we are here with another MeatCanyon reaction. This one's called Elon's Blue Checkmark. I guess this video is about Elon Musk, I guess. So, I don't know what's going to go on this video. I'm pretty sure, I don't know. Like, the thumbnail is just like nothing. I don't know why. But we're going to do less talk and more reacting. Let's dive right on into this video. Let's do it.
Elon, sir, with all due respect, teleporting to Mars, even with the new Tesla pods, doesn't seem like something we'll be able to do in our lifetime.
We must. The people, they are turning against me. I must regain their trust.
Sir, we are beginning to question your judgment. Please reconsider your decision, and
I have to do this! I have to do this. I made a promise to an old friend.
What promise did you did? What's that? That's Elon or something? Oh wait, I don't know if that's a friend of him or something.
I thought vacations were supposed to be fun. You've been to this island many times before, but you still seem to get lost. I'm not lost. I'm just thinking. You know, you fixate so much on the future and innovation that you never see the beauty that's right in front of you. I just want to change the world. Change it for the better. Leave humanity with something greater.
Elon, listen. You are destined for great things. You've already done so much for the world. So much. You're strong, smart, and compassionate. Well, my name isn't Jeffrey Epstein.
I will change the world, Jeffrey. I promise you. I know.
Made that promise to him.
But hours of contemplation has left you tense, Elon. Come on. Let's chill out with a couple massages. What do you say?
Some say innovation is something that happens once in a generation. Why can't we shoot for the stars and then pass those stars to unknown worlds, or smell new air on different planets, enjoy a new sunset on different planes? I will get in this pod and defy what everyone thinks I am capable of, what we are capable of.
Okay.
Let the naysayers yell and scream at me. I will push humanity farther. I will take us to where no other man has taken us before. Just you watch me! Oh my God, Jesus Christ! Elon the bird! Oh God! Oh God!
What?
Oh God! Oh God!
Oh!
Take me back.
You're gonna shoot him?
Take me back to the island.
Are you gonna do it or not? Oh my God. Oh, I heard that. Oh, that that right there is a goner. Oh my gosh. I guess MeatCanyon, I don't know. That was a bit disturbing part about the bird flying into the thing. I forgot what it's called. Ew. Someone send someone to Mars to make Elon Musk jealous, I guess. But anyways, guys, if you do enjoy this video here, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel here. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.